Alright, Taylor. No, I want to show you something. Open your hand up.
Okay.
Just like... That's fine. And you're going to put a quarter right in the middle of your hand. Check it out. A little bit close. So you can see. Washington. Alright. Now, back up a little bit. Just enough. Right. Lower that right there. Well, watch what I do. Alright, watch. 1. Back up a little bit. I want to hit you. 2. And then...
Whoa!
And look. Nothing. You see that? Look at that. If you look at that,
Oh my god.
that is a shrinked quarter.
Do it again. No,
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. So cool.
Alright, now watch this.
Can you use that at a store?
Probably not. Alright, now watch. Watch this. I'm gonna get another quarter. Alright, put out your hand. Now this one is kind of different, but when I do it, I just wave my hands over, and it's completely gone.
Whoa!
Wow. Okay, thank you. That was cool.
And you know what? You can keep the string quarter.
Thank you.
So now you can show your friends.
Yeah.
Alright. Peace out.